Your liver and kidneys are two of the most important organs in your body, responsible for detoxification, balancing fluids, and keeping you healthy. But what happens when they get overworked or damaged? The good news is that you can repair and restore these vital organs naturally. In today's video, we'll reveal 5 key steps to support your liver and kidney health so you can feel your best. Step number 1. Stay hydrated with clean water. Your kidneys rely on proper hydration to function efficiently. Drinking clean, filtered water helps flush out toxins and keeps your kidneys in optimal condition. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, and consider adding a squeeze of lemon for an added detoxifying effect. Step number 2. Embrace a nutrient-rich, anti-inflammatory diet. A diet filled with colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats is key to supporting both your liver and kidneys. Include foods like beets, leafy greens, berries, and garlic to help detoxify your liver, while foods like cranberries and apples are great for kidney health. Avoid processed foods, excessive salt, and unhealthy fats that can strain these organs. Step number 3. Use herbs and natural supplements. Certain herbs and natural supplements can support the repair of your liver and kidneys. For the liver, milk thistle is renowned for its detoxifying properties. For your kidneys, dandelion root and nettle leaf are known to promote kidney function and flush out toxins. But always consult with your healthcare provider before introducing new herbs or supplements. Step number 4. Engage in regular physical activity. Exercise plays an important role in maintaining organ health. When you move your body, you improve circulation, which helps your liver and kidneys function more effectively. Simple activities like walking, swimming, or yoga can make a big difference. Aim for 30 minutes of moderate exercise daily to promote healthy liver and kidney function. Step number 5. Get plenty of rest and manage stress. Sleep and stress management are crucial for liver and kidney health. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones that can put added strain on these organs. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or gentle stretching. And don't forget to prioritize 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night for optimal organ repair and restoration. By following these 5 key steps, you can naturally repair and restore your liver and kidneys, leading to improved health and vitality. Start small and make these changes a part of your daily routine. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make. For more health and wellness tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.